Hello, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share the video with friends. Turn on your notification bell to receive alerts whenever new videos are released. Are you planning on going to school and are you looking for the most affordable place to enroll? Then stay with me to the end because I have good news for you. Austria provides one of the best education in the world, and as an international student, you do not have to break the bank to go to school. With as little as 800 euros a year, you are good to go. And the programs are delivered in English, and there is no age limit. Regardless how young or old you are, there will certainly be a program for you, be it master's, bachelor's, or even a PhD. All you have to do is meet the admission requirements, and then you get enrolled in your dream college. The programs are delivered in English, and as an international student, you have the opportunity for internship to gain that practical skills and transferable knowledge you will take back to your home country after school. And you're also allowed to work for some hours, which is very convenient. Admissions, depending on the school, may be once a year or twice a year. So when you are searching for programs or schools, pay attention to these things, so that you'll be able to prepare ahead of time and then get enrolled as early as you wish. And programs may have their requirements, and it's always helpful to go beyond the information on the school's website and contact the international department or admissions department. Sometimes they have more information beyond what is provided on their website, and if you do this, you are likely to stand out in your application and then possibly achieve your dream of getting enrolled in college. And with the requirements, we are going to talk about them in a separate video, because schools in Austria may have what we call document legalization and verification, and these are processes that require you, the applicant, to be very intentional about it. So I think it's best we talk about it in a separate video. Nonetheless, do well to contact the school, because they are the source of information you need to submit a successful application. If not, you may be left hanging at a point in time. For example, I know a client who started the application process, and at a point was asked to provide a standardized English test, and then to legalize the documents, and within a given time frame, and could not meet these deadlines, so the application in the end was just rejected. And to avoid these things, it's best you contact the school, get to know these requirements, then prepare them ahead of time to be able to achieve your dream of going to school. And also, I'll put in the description box a link which you could follow to find schools in Austria. Do well to check this link. Do well to check the link, and then search for school or programs. And as I said, contact the schools to get to know the requirements. Then that is a good step for you. Okay. Remember, it's always possible to get enrolled in your dream school, and it starts now. And Austria is calling, so what are you waiting for? Come on, submit your application. Until I see you again, my best wishes.